everybody, it's Don Henry's How To's. I'm going to show you how to make Sizzler style cheese toast. Let's get straight into it. Okay guys, so this is a very simple and straightforward recipe and I'm going to show you my take on it. So traditionally Sizzler made this with pecorino cheese, but what I prefer to do it with is parmesan cheese. You get a different type of flavour with it and it works very well. So just into a bowl here, I've got a third of a cup of parmesan cheese. As you can see, it's very, very fine, almost powder-like, and that's what you want. If you're getting shaved parmesan, that's fine, but make sure you crush it. And all we're going to do simply to this is add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of butter. And we're just going to simply mix this together and make our paste with it. So you want to mix until it all comes together as one. So guys, next we'll get our sliced bread. So I'm just using standard toast bread. The cheaper stuff works better for this. Now this ratio that I'm doing now is enough for about 3 slices. Obviously if you want to do more, just keep multiplying the recipe however you like. All we're going to do is just spread our mixture on and just give it a thin layer. You don't want to go too thick. Okay, and there we have it guys. So very simple and straightforward. So let's move on to our stove now. I know you'll be tempted to eat it as is, but trust me, it's better once it's fried. Alright guys, so just into a large frying pan, we're going to turn it to a low to medium heat. And once our pan's nice and hot, we're going to add our bread in, the paste side down, just like that. Just give it a little swirl in there. And all we're doing at this point is cooking until it's nice and golden brown and crispy. This will only take about 2 to 3 minutes. Now do monitor your heat. You don't want this too high. You don't want it to burn. You want it to really cook. Alright guys, so I'm just at the 3-minute mark now. As you can see, the sides are getting golden brown. And that's what we want. So we'll just flip it on the other side now. And we'll just cook it on there for about a minute just to crisp it up. And that's it. Alright guys, so the bottom's nice and golden brown too. So let's go ahead and serve. Now before we serve, as everybody knows, bread tastes better when it's sliced diagonally. Am I right? So let's go ahead and do that first for that extra touch. Alright, and there we have it guys. That's my take on it. Look at how beautiful they look. Okay guys, and that was my take on Sizzler's cheese toast. So for those of you that don't know what Sizzler is, it's basically a buffet type restaurant. I'm not sure how many more exist still in the world, but the last one in Australia closed a couple of years ago. Now growing up, Sizzler was my favourite restaurant. Reason for that is, buffets you can use your imagination to come up with the most craziest ideas. Like, the things you'll see is just unimaginable. Let's give this a try. That definitely takes me back. As always guys, please make sure to like, share and subscribe and turn on your post notifications. You can also follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. I'll see you all next time.